Hello everybody, Paul Richards here from PTZOptics, and today I'm going to show you a really amazing feature for vMix 19 in the beta, which is called video calling. It's built into vMix, so anyone who's been live streaming and also bringing in video conference callers and really hosting your own talk show, I'm going to take you through it in this video. So let's go ahead and dig right in. So I'm going to take you step by step through this, and it is so simple. My hat is off to vMix. As you can see, I hit the add input button, and at the very bottom there's a new feature called vMix call. And when you click that, it gives you everything you need to give the information to a person that you want to bring in remotely to your video production. So you can see here that I've gone ahead and clicked the vMix call, and it's given me a passcode. And all I have to do is give that passcode to anyone I want to video conference with and bring in to my video production. All they have to do is go to vmixcall.com, enter their name and that password, and it will bring them in. You see there's a couple options we'll go over with the video that you want to send to them and the audio you want to send to them, and then vMix will literally handle bringing in the audio and video. Here's vmixcall.com, and you can see here that my lead engineer Matthew Davis is putting in his first name and the password that I gave him, and as soon as he clicks to have that set up, you can see in the top right he just says allow, and now his video is, you can see in the top right there, you can see that his video is that webcam in the top, actually left there, and the return video that he's seeing inside of his web browser, that's the output of vMix. And you can actually decide what you want to send as far as return video and return audio to the far end, but I'm just showing that here. And that's what the far end, that's what Matt is seeing in his web browser. So let me just set up a normal example and show you how quick and easy this can be to set up. So I've already added my vMix call and Matt Davis has joined. I'm just going to quickly add a virtual set that's going to make it easy to manage two video inputs. So I'm going to put Matt in the left hand side there, and I'm going to put myself in the right hand side, and that's just going to give me a virtual set that easily displays both of us at the same time for just a simple talk show setup here. And now that I have that set up, I can go ahead and bring that to my output. Now Matt is seeing that in his output. So that's what he's seeing in his web browser. I'm automatically getting the audio from Matt and video from Matt because he joined the vMix call with the password that I gave him in the vMix input. So it's actually really easy compared to what people used to have to do to achieve this scenario. So I'm going to show you guys a live recording. Okay, so testing 1 2 3. You can hear me, Matt?
Yeah, I can hear you great. And I'm guessing you can hear me.
So this is pretty incredible. I guess what I'll do really quickly is just show a desktop capture of what we have, but I'm going to overlay it on our screen to make sure it looks okay. So I'm going to put it down below us. Whoop! So below us right here is the vMix layout, you can see. So this is you. And if I pull that up, there's nothing special about this source except for the fact that if I right click it, there's a call manager. And I can actually chat with you directly through vMix.
Christopher, I'm not seeing that.
It shouldn't be there's like a right-hand screen on the side of your web browser. So it
just
gives
the blue.
you the ability to kind of, you're at 720. I could take you down to like 1240.
Oh yeah, I just saw that.
Which to me didn't really change much. So that gets a little bit pixelated, I apologize, but as you can see, very click a few buttons and you can already host your live video conference, a complete game changer for the video production industry. vMix 19 should be available at NAB, which is at the end of April. I would highly suggest checking out the vMix booth, which is at the front of the South Lower Hall at the National Association of Broadcasters show. That's really been our review. There are so many applications we're going to have to talk about on our weekly live shows and in other videos, potentially extending the capability of the new tech NDI. And one last thing I'll just show here is you can see here that you have the ability to change what you're sending when it comes to output and audio to the far end there through this vMix call setup. So just an extremely easy to use setup there. I couldn't be happier with the way that this is deployed. It is still in beta, so don't forget that. It's still in beta.
Content from
you
one
have
vMix
to
session to another.
oh my goodness. Really remember
I'm gonna have
that
to
some
digest
of these
some of this information.
Oh, sorry there. Some of this stuff is still in beta, but hopefully this has been a great tutorial video for you guys. I will link to the vMix Funtime show, which was the February 2017 version where they do a full demo, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. That's all I have for you today.
Click to watch another exciting PTZOptics video, and don't forget to subscribe. Tune in Fridays at 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern to join our live show with new industry experts interviewed every week.